young women, mothers' arms, birds in the trees, those dying generations had their song. The salmon falls, the mackerel, crowded seas, fish, flesh or fowl commend all summer long. Whatever is begotten, born and dies, calling that sensual music all neglect. Monument sensual music all neglect. Monument sensual music all neglect.
But there's no country for when they're young, in one another's arms, birds in the trees, those dying generations have their song. The salmon falls, the mackerel, crowded seas, there's flesh of falcon and all summer long. Whatever is begotten, born and dies, calling that sensual music all neglect. Monuments of unaging intellect.
An aged man is but a paltry thing, a tattered coat upon a stick or less. So clap his hands and sing, and louder sing, for every tatter in its mortal dress. Nor is there singing school but studying, monuments of its own magnificence. And therefore I have sailed the seas and come to the holy city of Byzantium.
Byzantium. And be the singing masters of my soul. Consume my heart always sick with desire, and fasten to a dying animal. It knows not what it is, and gather me into the artifice of eternity. Byzantium.
Once out of nature I shall never take my body formed from any natural thing, but such a form as Grecian goldsmiths make of hammered gold and gold enameling, to keep a drowsy emperor awake, or set upon a golden bough to sing to lords and ladies of Byzantium of what is past or passing or to come.
Byzantium. A testament to all that time will erase, like fleeting shadows on the moonlit night that dance upon the surface of a stream. So I must face the inevitable flight, and yield to time his life into